Would it surprise you to know that they are among the most intelligent creatures on our planet? Indeed, the bird has been observed using tools, a feat that few species outside of humans can claim. From shaping twigs to extract insects from tree bark, to dropping nuts onto busy roads for cars to crack open, crows have certainly earned their reputation as crafty problem solvers. But it's not just their technical skills that impress. Crows also exhibit a sophisticated social structure, known to form tight-knit groups and demonstrate complex behaviors such as cooperative breeding and altruism. They even hold funerals for their fallen companions, a behavior thought to be unique to humans and some primates. These fascinating creatures are not your average bird, and today we'll explore just how intelligent they really are. One of Aesop's a pitcher with water at the bottom, beyond the reach of its beak. This crow, parched and desperate, didn't let despair cloud its judgment. Instead, it took a moment to survey its surroundings. Observing the pebbles scattered around, it had a flash of insight. The crow began to pick up the pebbles, one by one, and drop them into the pitcher. Each pebble, though small in itself, contributed to a gradual rise in the water level. The crow didn't stop after a single try. It kept dropping pebbles into the pitcher, displaying a level of persistence and determination that would make even the most steadfast among us take note. With every pebble it dropped, the water level continued to rise until finally it was within the reach of the crow's beak. It was a thoughtfully executed plan, a testament to the crow's problem-solving abilities. This brings us to the concept of potential use in this context, and implemented this understanding to solve its problem. The crow's actions went beyond mere instinct. It was a demonstration of foresight, planning, and successful execution. This fable serves as a reminder that intelligence comes in many forms and can be found in the most unexpected places. It also prompts us to consider the remarkable cognitive abilities of crows, abilities that are backed by scientific findings. Researchers have found that crows are capable of using tools, understanding cause and effect, recognizing themselves in mirrors, and even planning for the future. Feats that were once thought to be exclusive to humans and a few select animals. This fable, as it turns out, is not far from reality. In fact, scientists have observed similar behavior in real-life crows. Crows are not solid. It's a fascinating world of intricate relationships and complex interactions. So, let's dive right in. Crow communities known as murders are a testament to their social acumen. These gatherings are not just about numbers, but about the quality of relationships. Crows form lifelong bonds, often remaining monogamous throughout their lives. They raise their young together, teaching them the tricks of the crow trade, if you will, and the importance of community. But it's not all about family. Crows also form alliances with other non-related crows. They cooperate during foraging, share information about food sources, and even engage in cooperative breeding. This level of cooperation is rare in the animal kingdom and points towards their exceptional intelligence. Their social skills extend to the realm of communication as well. Crows use a rich repertoire of calls, each with its own meaning. Some calls alert others to danger, some are used to rally the troops, and some are simply for social interaction. They even mimic sounds from their environment, a talent shared by few other species. One of the most poignant displays of their social nature is how they mourn their dead. Crows have been observed gathering around deceased comrades, their calls falling silent in what appears to be a moment of shared grief. This behavior, once thought to be exclusive to humans, is now seen as a sign of their deep emotional intelligence. And it's not just about the living or the dead. Crows are known to remember faces, holding grudges against those who have wronged them and rewarding those who have helped. This ability to remember and react is another feather in their cap of intelligence. It's clear that crows value their social life, a trait that is commonly associated with highly intelligent species. So, the next time you see a murder of crows, remember, it's not just a group, it's a community, a family, a testament to the remarkable intelligence of these feathered creatures. Crows can be found all over the world, in a wide range of climates. How do they manage to survive in such varied environments? The answer lies in their incredible adaptability. Crows are not picky eaters. They can make a meal out of insects, seeds, fruits, and even roadkill. This versatile diet allows them to thrive in a multitude of environments, from the scorching heat of deserts to the frigid cold of mountains. But it's not just about food. Crows also have a knack for finding shelter, whether it's in the hollows of trees or amidst city skyscrapers. They're experts at using whatever resources are available. And it's this adaptability that is yet another testament to their intelligence. It's one thing to survive, but to flourish in such diverse conditions requires a certain level of ingenuity, from solving complex problems to demonstrating a rich social life and adapting to all kinds of climates. Crows are truly remarkable creatures. So, just how intelligent are crows? The answer may surprise you. As we've explored, these feathered problem solvers possess an uncanny ability to scrutinize potential solutions, select the most viable ones, and implement them correctly on the first attempt. This level of cognitive ability is something that we don't often see in the animal kingdom. Furthermore, their use of tools is a clear testament to their advanced intellect, showcasing a level of sophistication typically associated with higher mammals. On top of this, crows lead rich social lives, displaying complex behaviors that suggest a deep understanding of social dynamics. And let's not forget their remarkable adaptability. These birds can thrive in virtually any climate, from arid deserts to towering mountains. Their resilience and resourcefulness
আদম আলাইহিসসালামের সন্তান কাবিল কর্তৃক হাবিলকে হত্যার ঘটনা ছিল পৃথিবীর ইতিহাসের সর্বপ্রথম হত্যাকাণ্ড। এই ঘটনার আগে কোনো মৃত্যুর ঘটনা না ঘটার কারণে কাবিল জানতেন না কিভাবে মৃতদেহকে দাফন করতে হয়। তাই তাকে দাফনের পদ্ধতি শেখানোর জন্য আল্লাহ একটি কাক পাঠান। সেই ঘটনার অবতারণা করে আল্লাহ তাআলা বলেন, অতঃপর তার আত্মা তাকে ভাতৃ হত্যায় প্ররোচিত করল, তাই তাকে হত্যা করল এবং ক্ষতিগ্রস্তদের দলে অন্তর্ভুক্ত করল। তারপর আল্লাহ একটি কাক পাঠালেন। সেই কাক মাটি খুঁড়তে লাগলো সে ভাইয়ের লাশ কিভাবে গোপন করবে তা দেখানোর জন্য। সে বলল, ধিক আমাকে, আমি এই কাকের মতো হতে পারলাম না যাতে ভাইয়ের লাশ গোপন করতে পারি। এই বলে সে অনুতাপ করতে লাগলো। সূরা মায়েদা আয়াত 30 থেকে 31।